Have you ever looked at a shiny little marble and wondered, how can something so small be made so perfectly round and so mesmerizingly colorful? Because behind every marble, there's a story of fire, glass, and precision engineering. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's oldest and most fascinating manufacturing processes, where ordinary sand and minerals are transformed into thousands of sparkling marbles every single hour. Welcome to Food Factory, your ultimate guide to how everyday things are made. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because today, what you'll see will completely change the way you look at marbles. Step 1. From sand to molten glass. Every marble begins its journey from something extremely ordinary, sand. But not just any sand. The factory uses high-purity silica sand mixed with soda ash and limestone. This blend is placed inside a massive industrial furnace. The temperature? Around 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot enough to melt rock into glowing liquid glass. Operators use long metal rods to stir the molten mix, making sure there are no air bubbles that could ruin the marble's smooth shape. Question for you. Do you think this process looks easy? Or would you ever want to work near a furnace that hot? Tell us in the comments. Step 2. Adding color and life. Once the glass turns into a glowing orange liquid, it's time to give it color. Different metal oxides are added. Cobalt oxide for deep blue, iron oxide for green, sulfur compounds for yellow, and copper oxide for red tones. But here's the secret. These colors don't just mix like paint. They form their own flowing streams inside the molten glass. That's how you get those iconic swirl patterns you see inside every marble. Each color layer forms a separate ribbon, twisting and turning as the glass flows through narrow channels toward the next stage. Question. What's your favorite marble color? Classic blue or the fiery red? Comment below. Step 3. Shaping the perfect marble. Now comes the real magic, turning molten glass into perfect spheres. The glowing material is cut into small drops, called glass gobs, using automated shears that slice hundreds of times per minute. Each gob is dropped into a pair of rotating grooved rollers, like two metal screws spinning in opposite directions. As the glass rolls between them, it starts forming a round shape. Within seconds, gravity and rotation do the rest, and a perfect marble is born. The temperature here is still above 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, so every marble glows like a tiny sun. Cooling fans gently blow over the track, ensuring the marbles don't cool too quickly and crack. Question. Can you guess how many marbles one machine can make in a minute? Hint. It's more than 200. Step 4. Cooling and annealing. Once shaped, the marbles aren't ready yet. If they cool too fast, they'll shatter or develop internal fractures. That's why they pass through an annealing oven, where the temperature slowly drops from 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit to room temperature over several hours. This process relieves internal stress and makes each marble durable enough to survive years of play or display. What do you think happens if a marble skips this step? Shatter instantly or stay strong? Comment your guess below. Step 5. Artistic patterns and custom designs. In many factories, artisans still hand-decorate marbles for collectors. They use molten frit glass, colored powders, and thin glass rods to add extra layers and swirls. Some even use UV-reactive materials that glow under blacklight, creating mesmerizing effects you can't see until the lights go off. Collectors call these galaxy marbles because each one looks like a tiny universe trapped inside glass. Would you prefer a simple, clear marble or a glowing galaxy one? Let us know below. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of marbles, make sure to subscribe to Food Factory for more behind-the-scenes stories of how your favorite things are made. Every week, we uncover new industries, from chocolates and glass bottles to the most unexpected factory secrets. Step 6. Sorting and quality control. Every marble then passes through multiple sorting lines. Here, cameras and sensors check for cracks or chips, imperfect shapes, wrong colors, air bubbles. Rejected ones are recycled, melted again to give them another life. The perfect marbles are counted by machine and sent for polishing. Yes, they actually tumble in soft abrasive material to make them mirror smooth. Some factories even coat them with a thin layer of wax for that premium glossy finish. Do you think factories should recycle broken marbles or keep them as factory seconds for collectors? Step 7. Packaging and distribution. Now, the marbles are ready to leave the factory floor. Depending on their size and quality, they're packed into small toy bags for kids, large bulk boxes for decorative use, or premium display sets for collectors. A single production run can create over 150,000 marbles in one day. From there, they're shipped around the world, ending up in toy stores, art studios, and even luxury architecture projects where marbles are used in resin floors or lamps. Where have you seen marbles being used? In games, art, or decoration? Comment your answer. Step 8. Testing strength and perfection. Before final shipment, random batches go through pressure tests. Machines drop steel weights on them to ensure they don't break under impact. Others go through chemical resistance tests, especially for decorative marbles used in fountains or gardens. Every single batch is labeled with a lot number, so manufacturers can trace back to the exact furnace and color recipe used. Ever broken a marble while playing? Or are they truly unbreakable? Tell us in the comments. Step 9. Fun facts about marbles. You didn't know the word marble originally came from marble stone, because early marbles were carved from real rock, not glass. The world's oldest known marbles were found in an Egyptian tomb, over 4,000 years old. Modern factories can produce up to 10 million marbles a month. Some marbles glow under UV light. Others even contain metallic flakes that sparkle under sunlight. The largest handmade marble ever created weighed over 14 pounds. Which fact surprised you the most? Let's see your answers in the comments. Step 10. End of the run. When the day's production ends, workers clean the furnace and let the glass tank cool. The leftover molten glass hardens and is safely removed for recycling. It's a long, hot, and precise process. But when you hold a marble in your hand, you're holding a tiny piece of craftsmanship, science and beauty combined. Each marble tells a silent story of fire, color, and perfection. And that's how marbles are made, from ordinary sand to perfect spheres of glass magic. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Food Factory and hit the like button to support our team. Which product do you want us to cover next? Glass bottles, candy canes, or maybe toy cars? Drop your suggestions below. Your idea might be our next video. Until next time, this is Food Factory, where we turn curiosity into knowledge.